Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe from Swing This Kettlebell and Strength. I want to show you a little technique that I've thought of to help you with understanding how to grip and catch a kettlebell, okay? So what we're going to do is basically check this bell out. There we go. So that's a Paradigm Pro Elite from Kettlebell USA. I feel this has absolute best handle all around. You can see that stuff. I don't use a lot of chalk, but let's see, here we go. You can see kind of how that fits, okay? It's not too wide, it's not too tight. Anyway, what we're gonna do is, let me get back in here. I'm gonna show you this little technique that I've got. So what I'm gonna do is, first off, I wanna show you where not to grab on a kettlebell, okay? So see those calluses right through there? What we don't want to do is create this grip and twist. We don't want to be squeezing that. We don't want to be getting those calluses crunched and squished in there. So what we do want to do is be able to grab this and then grab, okay? So here we have that right there, all right? So when we're swinging the kettlebell, let's see if I can turn this a little bit. There you go. It's going to be in a straight line from the wrist. It's not going to be like that. You don't want to be swinging a kettlebell with your wrist out here, okay? So it's going to be a straight line to get that swing and pendulum effect. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to, let's see, end up at this position, okay? So here is how we want to grip this kettlebell. And we're going to go from this, and get right there, turn that around a little bit, and get that position, and we're going to end in this position, okay? So I'm holding that. That is how I'm going to hold that kettlebell when it's overhead, all right? So a lot of people do different things. I like this because I'm used to doing double long cycle. So with snatch, I might have the fingers up on top, but that's what I'm used to right here. So this post is going to be connected to the ulna, right about there. So that will keep it from, see, what we don't want is this. We don't want anyone holding, the kettlebell shouldn't be, let's see if I can get this right. It shouldn't be pulling your wrist back or anything like that. Yeah, it shouldn't be pulling your wrist back when you hold it overhead, okay? So that's why we're gonna have like a 45-degree angle locked over the wrist. See there? So you can see that part of my hand, and I've connected here, the thumbs kind of locked it into place. So now it's not going to be shaking around so much. Now, here is my technique for teaching how to get from this position with the swing to the clean to the position of rack or overhead. So basically we're just going to do a rocking motion with the bell. So here I'm going to roll it forward and let go and re-grip. There we go. I'll roll the bell, get in there a little bit, and roll the bell. Literally rolling it. Notice where I'm gripping. I'm not grinding it in my hand. So here I got my strong grip there. I'm going to roll the bell and just get used to that. Roll the bell. Insert hand. Roll the bell. Insert your hand. So some people swing from down here and slide up there. Some people, depends on where they swing, they might be here. I'm usually more in the middle because I try to do a 45-degree hold. This is how I would do my backswing, about here. But so as it rolls, I'm going to insert that hand in there. That's how I end up. So what I'm gonna do is just roll, regrip, roll, and regrip. There you go. There's a new technique for you.